Hey, Pro Rancher, what's happening? This is Corey R, number 78 on your list for the contest. This is my reply video for your Ruger takedown. Anyways, love to have that gun. I've had a Ruger since I was about 7 years old, and just don't have the takedown model. Mine's the old wood stock, but buddy of mine's got that takedown model. Pretty cool guns. I've got a couple boys that would love to have another Ruger 22. We go shooting just about every weekend. But keep up the great videos. I watch them all. Love the pig hunts. Love the deer hunts. And love to hunt on property like that one day. See ya.